guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing of Fabfitfun Spring 2019 box. This is the fourth box that I've gotten from Fabfitfun as an annual membership holder. I paid $180 for a yearly subscription, but each box that I've gotten has been well worth over $300. I love the value that you get inside each box. I think it's so worth it. It's just a nice way to bring in a new season as well. So I'm going to go through this box specifically, tell you what I loved, what I didn't love, do I think it's worth it, and then also too, I went ham on the add-on sections. So ham that I'm using the term ham because I don't ever say that. I don't know who I am anymore. So I'm going to break down the cost of those as well, what I paid versus the retail value of them, and then give you the total difference. So let's go ahead and get into this box. If you're excited for this video, do give it a thumbs up, and let's see what FabFit sent me for spring 2019. And here's what the box actually looks like. Very pretty with some succulents on there. Nice and colorful for spring. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Just while I'm cutting this open here, if I forgot to mention, I will also link both my fall unboxing and my winter unboxing down below. So if you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, every box comes with a magazine. This one has Venus Williams on the cover. I believe she has a jump rope that was featured inside some boxes. It was a choice to get. I didn't get that because I'm not gonna jump rope. Seriously, I'm not gonna do that. But you could have gotten that if you wanted. But in the back, it'll tell you a little bit more about every single item. And then in the front, it gives you all the choices you could have made with the prices. So before your box is sent to you, of course, you get to choose between sometimes 2 items, sometimes 3 items. But if you say you don't want to make a choice and you want both items, you can have that second or third item sent to you for an additional cost. It's usually like $5, $10, $15, so not very much, but I'll be utilizing this just to give me the prices of each item. And for my first option, I chose a backpack. Other than this, my other option was a robe or an aromatherapy diffuser, but I went with this. I recently got into using a backpack rather than a purse. It's just so much better for my back and shoulders. And my other backpack is kind of like an emerald color, so I thought that this would be nice and neutral. I did open it up. It is a canvas material, has like a pretty medium deep inside, not super large, but like right in the middle, and has a small pocket. I do have to say, I just looked at the retail cost of this and it's $75. I don't know if I would have paid that much for this backpack. We're gonna have to see how long it lasts me, like how well it's made. It seems pretty nice, but I won't know until I use it. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. I just don't know if I would pay the $75 for it, but I'm happy to have received it. This next item I was so excited to see as an option. I love Korres products, specifically the Wild Rose line. It's more hydrating of all of their lines. So I was very excited about this one. This is the Brightening Sleeping Facial with Vitamin C. I've had a sample of this before and it has been on my Sephora wish list for probably over a year now. It's $48 if you were to buy it on its own, so that already makes the value of this box worth it to me. You put this on at night, you leave it on as your last step, your moisturizer, and you're supposed to wake up with brighter skin. It also has turmeric and hyaluronic acid in it, so I'm very excited about this one. Hyaluronic, I can never say that word, but I'm very excited about this one. I also, too, the other options I had were a picnic set or sunglasses from Quay, Australia, and I did it. I added these on for $10. Now the thing is, I can already feel they're kind of loose on my head. I have a very small head, and for some reason, I just like the style of oversized and cat eye sunglasses. So they may not be like the best shape for me, but I don't really care. I like them. So I added these on for $10 and they are worth $55. And for my third item, there was 3 choices. So I could have gotten copper measuring spoons, and although I like the look of copper a lot, I just don't need any more lost measuring spoons in my kitchen drawers. And then also too, I could have gotten a mystery item, but I didn't want to take my chances. So I got this lotion from the brand Levito. Sorry, my lights are going to be dimming it out a little bit. It is orange and bergamot and mandarin, and I love the scent of mandarin. I'm not going to open it up just because I have so many lotions already open, but I'm always excited to try new ones. So this one is $19 retail. If it was on a shelf, I may not have bought it just because I don't know the brand name, but we will see after I smell it and how I like it. And for my fourth option, I got a Sip by Swell in a cute print. You didn't really know what print you were going to get, so I'm happy I got this one. This is $20. It says it keeps cold up to 24 hours and hot up to 12 hours. I have 3 Swell bottles, so it looks like it's the same claim there. I have to say I never use them because they're so hard to clean. You can't put them in the dishwasher and it's hard to get to the very bottom, so I did just get a brush from Amazon knowing that this was coming, so I'm happy to have another one. I just hit myself on the head with it. I'm happy to have another one, a fourth one. You can never really have enough water bottles or tumblers, so I'm excited about this. My other options for that were a translucent setting powder from Ciate London, which I have enough setting powders, and I really honestly haven't been using setting powders lately. I also could have gotten a necklace. I wear the same necklace every day. It's always kind of like all over the place, so I didn't need another one, so I got the Swell bottle. And for my last option, I got this. There are 3 more items, but this is the last thing that I actually chose. The others are sent standard to everyone. This is from Daily Concepts, and I do like their products. I've used a few of them before. This is the Daily Detox Massaging Brush. It is $18, and it says you can use it on wet or dry skin to scrub the skin. I have been wanting to get into dry brushing, so that's why I chose this. This is something I definitely would have already purchased because, like I said, I've been wanting to get into that ritual, do a little bit more for my body and circulation. The other things I could have gotten were that jump rope that I was referring to that I wouldn't use. There was also a cleanser from Tula, and I have enough cleansers, so I went with this one, so I'm excited about this one too. And for those 3 items that are sent standard to everyone, I'm just going to get this one out of the way. It's from Dr. Brandt, which is not cruelty free, so I won't be using this. I'm going to have to pass it along or find some way to sell it. It is the Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. It is $42, and I would have used this had it been cruelty free. Well, this looks fun. This is from Manicadar. This is the Champagne Charcoal Scrub. It is $24. It says detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Looking forward to using this, but I do have 3 body scrubs currently open, so I'm not going to open it right now. I don't know if I would have bought this on my own just because I don't really know the brand, but I do like the packaging quite a bit, so I could have fallen into that trap. I think it'll look pretty in the bathroom, and who doesn't like champagne? And then for the last item that came in my box, this is from the brand Way. I always want to say We, but I have watched other videos, so it is Way. This is their leave-in conditioner, and I have not tried this before. I have tried a few of their items. They all have this very soft floral scent, for the exception of one that smells like nail polish remover. So hopefully this doesn't smell like that. I do have quite a bit of leave-in conditioners right now, so it will probably be a while till I open this one up, but I'm excited to see this brand inside this box. I think it does increase the value of the box, so I'm excited for this one and to try it out at a later date. Before I get into my add-ons, just to break down the value of this box, the 2 items that I would have purchased with my own money were worth $66 if you put them together. I paid $180 for a yearly subscription, so divided by 4, I pay $45 for each box. Already worth it. The other items like the backpack, the whey product, and the Sip by Swell just increased that value. I maybe wouldn't have ran out and got them or paid $75 for that backpack, but they still increased the value of the box. So definitely happy with my spring box, and let's get into the add-ons. So for my add-ons before taxes and whatnot, I paid $201 for all the items you're about to see. I'm not going to talk about each one too terribly much just because it would make it a very long video, but I will give the cost that I paid for it versus what it's actually worth. So I'm going to start with, now this box is a little bit jacked. I don't know what happened, but this is from Sol de Janeiro. I really love this brand. I love the Boom Boom Cream, and I've wanted to try this. This is the Samba Foot Fetish Care. I believe it comes with some kind of like file or pumice as well as the actual lotion, so I'm hoping it smells just like the Boom Boom Cream. This one I paid $14 for, and it is worth $27 as a set. The next item is from Juice Beauty, and I've been wanting, it's going to blur it out again, I've been wanting to try this for a while. This is the Green Apple Peel Full Strength Exfoliating Mask. I don't believe it has any beads. It is that acid in there that helps to exfoliate. I've been wanting this for a while. I just didn't want to shell out the money for it. It is $48 if you were to buy it before this discount, and I got it for $17. And the next one is $45 if you buy it on its own. They didn't have the regular Bum Bum Cream. This is the Sai Body Power Cream. It's the purple one from Sol de Janeiro. I'm hoping it is the same formula. I know it's not going to be the same scent, but I hope it feels the same on my skin because that other one's so hydrating. So this is $45 if you were to buy it on its own, and I paid $24. This one was a little silly, but I had to get it. It is a light box and it has your letters on there. I thought it would be cute right back here so I could maybe put like my videos on there or whatever I want. So it is $35 retail value, and I paid $17 for it. So look forward to seeing it back here. And the next item I got are little scrubbers for the kitchen pots and pans. It's a 3-pack. It says they're lemon scented. They are soap filled scrubbers. They have that gritty kind of texture. These are $20 if you were to buy them on their own, and I paid $9 for them. This next one, I think I'm actually going to do a video on. I'm not going to take it out or anything. This is a teeth whitening system. I went back to being cruelty-free in the beginning of this year, and I was really liking teeth whitening strips, and there really aren't any cruelty-free versions, and I don't really feel like those charcoal kind of toothpaste or whatever really do much. So this is one of those whitening systems with the trays, so I picked this up. This one is $150 if you were to buy it retail value, and I paid $99. So look forward to a video with this because I think I want to kind of track my progress. This was something silly. I saw people talking about this in videos and then also on Instagram. This is the Makeup Drop Hybrid. Gonna try it out. I love my Real Techniques. I've had a beauty blender that I got in my first summer Fabfitfun box that's still in the plastic because I use my Real Techniques so much. But I thought this would be cool to try. It is $20 if you were to buy it on its own, and I paid $9. $7. As I mentioned, I went back to being cruelty-free, and one of the things I use religiously because I don't even own an iron board is Downy Wrinkle Release, which is not cruelty-free. So I picked up this one. This is Nellie's Wrinkle Be Gone. This is $14 if you were to buy it. This probably is the least value. It is $14 if you were to buy it on its own, and I paid $9 for it. I will see how it works on my stubborn wrinkles in my clothes. I am so lazy when it comes to that sort of stuff, so hopefully I can just spray it on and smooth it out the same as the Downy Wrinkle Release. So hopefully that's how this works. And lastly, my last add-on is from Samoy. This is the Refreshing Papaya and Strawberry Seed Scrub Facial Mask. It is $10 and I paid $5 for it. What's cool about this too is it actually went out of stock. If you're a Fabfitfun member and you kind of lurk those add-ons, so on the day that is the last day for add-ons, if you check back, what happens is people, when it's first announced, the add-on section, they'll just add a ton of stuff to their cart because it ships on that given day. So what happens is they'll like, oh shoot, on that last day, and they'll put stuff back. So things that are out of stock become available. So that's what happened with this one. Excited to try it out. So overall, I paid $201 for these items, and they are valued at $369. So I think that's a pretty good value, just like my other Fabfitfun box. I really enjoy this. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. If you get Fabfitfun, let me know your thoughts on your spring 2019 box. Or two, if you don't get it and you have a subscription box you love, let me know what it is. I've also had Birchbox, which I just canceled, and I've had a couple other ones. So let me know what your thoughts are below. I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you soon.